Filecoin absolutely flying today. We can see Filecoin is up 2x on the 24-hour time period. That doesn't happen too often. So this is one of the dino coins in the crypto space. Now, a dinosaur coin is a coin that effectively had a good run between 2017 and 2021 cycle. These are the OG coins that had a great run and kind of fizzled out. They sort of died down into, what looks like nothing. It went from 10 billion to $2 billion market cap, and even lower than that in the bear market lows. It actually hit 1 billion on the market cap. But we can see here a really, really green day. So is this a revival for Filecoin? What's going on? Would I be aping into Filecoin at these levels? Well, guys, remember, this is not financial advice, but just looking at Filecoin, they've always been pretty active, but at the moment they are really pushing. They're pushing a lot. They're partnering. They're making a big social and global impact still. And now they're pushing, of course, the DePIN narrative. And I think they're trying to move into some sort of, anonymity stuff and privacy stuff at the same time too. So it's a decentralized storage network designed to store humanity's most important information. Reminds me of the project or the token called Humanity Protocol. So yeah, I think with this being a huge thing, the transparency and decentralized AI, this is for sure a big narrative right now. Guys, please do, ladies and gents, whoever you are, get yourself also into my free Discord channel. Down below, the link is in the description. Come hang out. We've got over 40,000 members in here, and 43,000 now. Thank you very much. Let's just get as many people in here as we can to just join. It's completely free. But yeah, looking at Filecoin price side of things, this thing on the weekly time frame has not shot up to being completely overbought just yet. It did hit overbought in December 2024. We're now 11 months ahead, and we've not seen that overbought region just yet. And we can see over here 75 relative strength index on that daily time frame, which could make us assume that the price could be ready to come back down. Now, it has broke through this horizontal diagonal looking sloping resistance, and it has broken through that key level of resistance at $2.60. Now the bulls are targeting $3. The bulls want that $3 price tag to happen here. It's sitting at $2.95. and it looks unstoppable right now. It did actually touch into $3.14, but the bulls want to reclaim this particular region on the price side of things. Personally, it seems crazy to ape into a coin that has just pumped 2x in the 24-hour period. So personally, I will not be touching this coin. That's just my own initiative, and for me, it just feels less risky to do so. It's not really something I'm mega comfortable in doing. Now, Filecoin has 1.95 billion supply with 706 million circulating coins. This means there can still be a lot of dilution and emissions of the token itself if more are released, which is also another sort of bearish factor, I would say, overall. Looking at the price, back in its glory days, it was $164. But one thing we could notice is that the market capital is just 5 times lower, or 80% lower, than the previous market capital all-time high, being 10 to 11 billion. So what this shows is that the price was once upon a time actually 80 times higher, well, about 60 times higher, about 55 times higher, shall we say, than it was in 2021. So it's $2.90 now, but it was actually 50 times higher, but the market capital was not 50 times higher. So this, for me, shows bearish tokenomics, and I'm not entirely, bullish on that particular setup at all. What else is going on? We can see Bitcoin price may just be getting started as analysts warn the market could slide deeper. Fear is rising and long-term holders are starting to sell. The shakeout is real. People are indeed feeling scared, and that is supported by the fear and greed index, which shows that we're in extreme fear. We are back in extreme fear. This is the time where people quit at the... This isn't the bottom. If we do get a bear market, I do think we'll see way lower for Bitcoin and Ethereum, but people do quit and exit out when these extreme fear events happen. If you're not a quitter, you can check out Bitchnix. The link is down below if you want to get signed up to this exchange. Easy to get started in the crypto space. You don't have to be rich, and there are some potential sign-up bonuses waiting for you guys. So please check out Bitchnix down below. My favorite crypto exchange right now that I'm really enjoying, doing some trading with, and it's absolutely awesome. You've got so many different coins that you can enjoy here. Now, Bitcoin is sitting at 102.2K. All in all, it's been a 20% correction now from the top. Not even, it's less. It's like 17%, and it's not really that bad. When you look at the price performance of Bitcoin, it's still up massively from 2022. It's still holding some of the 2024 highs, and as long as we don't sweep below sort of 70k, I think we're not in a terrible place. The last thing we want to see is Bitcoin really dropping below the previous cycle's all-time high, but it could be a possibility. You know, usually it matches or retests the previous market cycle all-time high. I actually dropped a bit lower in 2022, where, you know, you see the 2017 all-time high was 17K, but it dipped down to 15K. Ethereum as well, having a bad day. You can see it's actually down, or was down quite a lot, 3.3K down to 3.2K. On the month, it's down a lot, from 4.6 down to 3.3. Wiped out almost all of the gains that we saw from the last month. And, you know, if Ethereum can come back down to 1.5, 2K, 2.5K, and hopefully this is just a shakeout before that last big blast to the upside. Guys, please do subscribe, like, comment, check out the Patreon. If you want to get into a VIP group to get early alphas, find the next narratives, and get trading signals, all the links are down below for you guys. And have a wonderful weekend. We'll see you very, very soon. Bye for now.